They're in the gate. And they're off. Bellamy Star from the rail comes out first. Wyoming comes away running second early on here. Kathmanblu will be forwardly placed. And the big favorite there, Winter Memories, is in between horses on hold early on. She's now fourth. Track and Jam to her inside. Dynamic Holiday to her outside. And behind her, Hungry Island. So the field moves around the clubhouse turn. And it is Bellamy Star leading in a leisurely pace here. Out there by almost 2 lengths. Wyoming down on the inside of Kathmanblu runs along in third. Then the trio of Track and Jam, Dynamic Holiday, Winter Memories, in behind horses, in and among horses as well. And the trailer is Hungry Island as Bellamy Star, through the yielding going, gets a quarter and 26 seconds flat. Kathmanblu still continues to run along, while second there, down toward the inside, it's Wyoming. And then a Dynamic Holiday, followed by Track and Jam. Winter Memories is still in between horses now, and now we'll try to move through down toward the inside. Winter Memories is still about 5.5 lengths from the lead, with less than a half mile remaining. The pace has been slow. It's with 51 and 4/5 seconds opening half mile around the far turn. Winter Memories still has a lot to do here, still 5 lengths behind, less than 3 furlongs to go. Bellamy Star trying to do it all the way on the lead. Kathmanblu is drawing right alongside. Now Winter Memories is starting to pick it up. She slices her way through in between horses and takes to the outside. Dynamic Holiday right at her shoulder, keeping her bottled up in behind horses. Winter Memories is desperate to look for a way through. There's less than a furlong to go. Kathmanblu, Winter Memories now finds room down toward the inside. On the far outside, Hungry Island. They're coming down to the finish, and Hungry Island comes up to get the lead. It is Hungry Island on the wire by 2.5 lengths. Kathmanblu was second. Dynamic Holiday was third. Winter Memories was fourth this afternoon.